Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to get frightening smile filter on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First you need to do the following. Open up your Instagram and there tap on plus icon to begin creating a reel. And now you need to tap there at the 3 stars icon, and I found that filter in trending because now it's trending. Here it is, frightening smile. And if you can't find this filter in trending, you can tap there on search icon and type in frightening. And now I got it on the first position. I can tap on that, tap on that black space, and now if I smile, the filter makes me that kind of evil face. So make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.